Hello friends, the subject of data structure and algorithm. Topic will be covered up in this lecture extensible and extendable hashing. First, extensible and extendable hashing. First, the dynamic hashing is the method is used to overcome the problem of static hashing. It's like bucket overflow. In this method, bucket grow or shrink as the record increase or decrease. This method is also known as extendable hashing method. This method makes hashing dynamic, that is, it allows insertion or deletion without resulting poor performance. How to how to search a key? Insert the calculate address of the key. Check how many bits are used in directory and these bits are called as I. Take the least significant I bits of the hash address. This gives an index of the directory. Now using the index, go to directory and find bucket address where the record might be. How to insert a new record? Firstly, we have to follow the same procedure for retrieving ending up in the sum bucket. If there is still space in that bucket, then place the record in it. If the bucket is full, then we will split the bucket and redistribute the record. For example, consider the following group of key into bucket depending upon the prefix of the hash address. 1. One key is hash address is 11010. 2 is hash address 000. 3 is hash address 11110. 4 is hash address 0000. 5 is hash address 01001. 6 is hash address 10101. 7 is hash address is 10111. The at least 2 bytes of 2 and 4 are 00, so it will put into bucket B0. The last 2 bytes of 5 and 6 01, so will go into bucket B1. The last 2 bits of 1 and 3 are 10, so it will go to into bucket B2. The last 2 bits of the 7 are 11, so it will go into B3. Insert a key 9 with hash address 10001 into the above structure. Since key 9 hash address 1001, it must go into the first bucket, but bucket B1 is full, so it will get split. The splitting will separate 5U9 from 6 since last 3 bits of 5U9 are 001, so it will go into bucket B1 and the last 3 bits of the 6 are 101, so it will go into bucket B5. Third, key 2 and 4 are split in V0. The record in V0 pointed by the 000 and 100 their entry because the last 2 bits of the both the entry are 00. Key 1 and 3 are still B2. The record B2 pointed by the 010 are 110 entry because last 2 bits of the both entry are 10. P7 are still in B3. The record B3 pointed by the 111 and 011 entry because last bits of the entry are 1 1. This will be data recording. Advantages of extensible hashing. In this method, the performance does not decrease as the data grow in the system. It simply increases the size of memory to accommodate the data. In this method, memory is well utilized as it grows and shrink with the data. There will not be any unused memory or is the method is good for dynamic database where data grow and shrink frequently. Disadvantages of extensible hashing. In this method, if the data size increases, then the bucket size is also increasing. In this case, the bucket flow overflow situation will also occur, but it might take little to research the situation than static hashing. Thank you friends for watching this video.